Knorr chicken powder, the gold standard and authentic Chinese cuisine.
Salt and pepper chicken, Knorr chicken powder, Knorr lime powder, crushed black pepper, 5-spice powder, chicken thigh fillet, cornstarch, vegetable oil, white onions, garlic, dried red chilies, green finger chilies, Chinese cooking wine. In a bowl, combine Knorr chicken powder, Knorr lime powder, crushed black pepper, and 5-spice powder. Set aside. Using the spice powder you made earlier, season your chicken and marinate for at least an hour. Dredge cornstarch, then deep fry until cooked. Make sure that it's golden brown. Set aside. In another pan, heat oil and saute your onions, garlic, and your 2 chilies. Deglaze with Chinese cooking wine, then when it gradually reduces, add back your fried chicken from earlier, then toss. Transfer to a plate and garnish with spring onions.
There you have it, salt and pepper chicken using Knorr chicken powder, the gold standard in authentic Chinese cuisine.